right, switching gears a bit here. Alex, how are we looking out there?
You know what, Brian? Unfortunately, on Sunday, we are going to warm back up. You can already see those temperatures beginning to increase. Take a look at this. Over the last 24 hours, we've already seen some increases. Bakersfield up 2, Lake Isabella up 5, and Ridgecrest up 7. And as we go into the week, we're only going to see that continue to rise through Sunday. So let's take a look at our county forecast. Bakersfield, high of 94 tomorrow. Oildale also 94, and Lamont at 93. But as we move into our mountain areas, Lake Isabella high of 89, Fraser Park high of 79 tomorrow. And taking a look at our desert areas, Ridgecrest at 92, California City at 91, and Mojave at 89. Again, we will continue to increase, unfortunately, but we will be on a roller coaster of temperatures throughout the rest of the week. And our air quality, unfortunately, is getting a little bit worse. Our AQI looking at 84, inching into that moderate range, still not into the good level. But we will be cooling down on Monday, first day of fall. It will be beautiful. But like I said earlier, 94 on Sunday, Monday, first day of fall, 88. And as we go through the week, we will be warming up, but we will have that storm pressure working for us, coming and cooling us down for the rest of the week. Thursday, we're looking at 88. And as we get into the weekends, Friday, 77, and Saturday, 74. And taking a look at our mountain areas, Kern River Valley, again, 89 on Sunday. And as we go through the week, they'll be staying at a cool 80 throughout the rest of the week. And Tehachapi, 81. But again, through the rest of the week, heating up until we reach Saturday. And Fraser Park at 79 and staying in those mid to low 70s the rest of the week. But again, cooling down on the weekend. Unfortunately, the week will be warming up. We'll kind of be going up and down. That cold front will be coming in.
But the good news is that we will be staying away from the triple digits, right?
Yes.
We're done with that, right?
I don't want to say that we're done with it. I don't want to project that far.
You're getting us all excited here. But you know what? People go to the fair, cool down with all the snow cones that they have there.
And the first day of fall will be so beautiful.
Yes.
It'll be nice and cool. But we will unfortunately be warming up for a tad bit there.
With fall comes pumpkin spice lattes. Do you partake in that?
Not a pumpkin spice girl. I'll be honest.
Okay, well. Every once in a while.
But I do love coffee.
Yeah, exactly. All right, still to come in